the Ninja Foodi family. Now, there's a Foodi for everyone. And by everyone, we mean the roasters, the steak grillers, the sheet pan meal thrillers, the bakers, the cocktail shakers, the skillet cookie makers, the soupers, the burger flippers, the french fry dippers, the toasters, the smoothie sippers, the chicken wing crispers. Whoever you are, whatever you want to make, be proud of what you cook.
Made in Japan, this Zojirushi induction heating pressure rice cooker and warmer comes in 2 sizes and features the most advanced rice cooking technologies, with a combination of pressurized cooking and superior induction heating, or IH. Depending on the menu setting, the unit automatically selects from 3 pressure levels for the perfect texture for a variety of foods. The inner cooking pan is nonstick coated for easy cleaning and is platinum infused to make rice taste sweeter. And the IH technology efficiently provides high heat by creating a magnetic field within the machine to heat the inner cooking pan. This machine has multiple computerized menu settings. The detachable inner lid is made of stainless steel, fully washable, and equipped with a filter to prevent small food particles from becoming stuck in the pressure system. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.